Good morning, traders and investors. It's time to look at AMC for one specific reason. The price action this morning has been insane. We've seen the price in the pre-market alone jump as high as the $16 range, coming up to highs which are around $16.53. So really, it's been a very impressive morning. And again, the market is not even officially open yet. But this rise in the pre-market of 10% plus at the highs is something which I think we needed to mention before the market even got underway. So we're going to look at the key details both of today so far and of the previous week, because I think we can tie it all in very nicely, and then speak about why AMC is primed for an amazing week this week. So it's going to be a very short video, but if you do enjoy it, smash that like button and subscribe. Now, diving straight in, I want to start off by looking at the immediate price action in today's pre-market. We've seen the price increase to currently $15.83. It's not bad, it's up by 9.7%, and again, like I said, we were much higher than that at this 16.5 level earlier in the session. Now, we do still have just under an hour to go, so anything could happen, but so far it's looking very, very good. Even, of course, taking into account the drop that we have seen in the last couple minutes. So I'm very impressed with that. Now, another key detail for this pre-market session so far is the volume. 6.9 million. Very, very high volume figures for a pre-market session. Bear in mind, for AMC, this number is usually in the hundreds of thousands, and again, sometimes in the low millions, as in 1 or 2. So to see it touch 7 million almost is very impressive. Now, that ties in very nicely to where we were in the past week. Let's have a look out to that 5-day chart, and we can see this massive spike in AMC's price. It's looking very good, and if we bring out the technical chart, we can see a recurring theme in the past week, and again tying in very nicely to today. An increase in volume and an increase in price. We had a little bit of difficulty in the past week breaking above 15, but nobody can really complain about that, because again, we've come up from those highs just above $10 all the way to those highs just below $15. So it's been a very impressive 3 or 4 day period towards the end of the week last week. I think going off all of that data, the stuff that we have to look at regarding options, the stuff that we have to look at regarding data from the new Top Gun film, things are looking very, very strong for AMC. I think this week is a very promising place, and we have a lot coming in June. Again, we're going to be talking about it through the month, which does, again, all look very good and appealing for AMC's share price. So today's pre-market alone being about 10% to the gaining side is very impressive. The volume also very high, and whilst the market isn't open yet, I wanted to draw your attention to this very quickly. So I'm very happy with this, I'm very impressed with this, and I did actually expect a very green day today. Again, I hope I am proven right, but the pre-market alone today has impressed me way more than I thought it even would. So I think we're in a great place. Again, that sell-off that we're seeing now, so-called sell-off, it looks to be sort of leveling out, and who knows, we may even have another rip before the market opens. And another key detail that we must remember is that when the market does open, that's when, of course, most retail investors finally get access to the market. In the pre-market, yes, some do, but not many retail investors have access to this session. And then that begs the question as to why is the volume so high, and why is the price increasing so much? Well, we'll have more to report on through the week, so I'm going to be giving you guys continuous updates. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to smash a like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you later for more.